Hello everyone, myself Chaudhary Shabeena. Today I am going to perform an experiment called walking water. This experiment is just for fun. Let's begin our fun session. Let's see what are the material required for this experiment called walking water. We need a jug of water, few food colors, a spoon and 5 to 6 tissue papers, and also 5 to 6 transparent glasses or plastic glasses which are easily available to you, and all this material are easily available to your kitchen. And let's perform this experiment called walking water. Experiment. Start this experiment by taking 3 glasses which are now empty. Now let's take water into the glasses. Now we are needed to see that the level of water is same in all the glasses. Now we are going to add the food color into the glasses. Now as you can see, I had put all the food colors in the glasses. Now we are going to put this empty glasses between them. As you can see, there are 2 empty glasses and 3 color glasses. Now we are needed to fold the tissue paper like this. Like this. I had already folded other tissue papers. Now here our experiment is going to be started. Fold them in between and place them between one color water and one empty one. You can now only see that the color is rising. Put another one as well. To complete this whole experiment, we will require at least 1 or 2 hours, and I assure you, you will be amazed by seeing its result.
2 hours later.
Isn't it amazing? These 2 glasses were empty and these 3 glasses were completely filled. The water is transferred from this glass to this glass using this tissue. The conclusion for this experiment is, as we are aware of different forces in chemistry, so here the cohesion force is acting between the water molecules and adhesive force is acting between these tissues. Adhesive force is more dominant than the cohesion. That is why water is walking. This is the result. Tissue is pulling water. Thank you.